You see this targeting option right here? This targeting option inside Google Ads lets you show your YouTube ad only to people who've already searched for your services on Google and nobody really knows it even exists. So you see what happens is someone goes to Google and they type in roof repair near me or roofing company near me or HVAC replacement cost or how much does it cost to replace, X amount of windows or whatever it may be. They type that into Google and then later that night when they're watching YouTube, boom, your ad shows up in front of them. So what you're doing is you're stacking touch points. You're hitting them when they're actively looking for your services. Hi, I'm Marcus Fidine, and I'm about to show you exactly how to set this up. And if you want my help running YouTube ads for your home service business, there's a link in the description below where you can book a free strategy call with me. So let's dive right in. Okay, so to create this audience for your YouTube ads, what you want to do is on the left-hand side here, you come over to Tools. Under Tools, you then go to Shared Library, and then you go to Audience Manager. On the Audience Manager, you want to click on Custom Segments up here at the top left-hand side, and then you click on the blue plus sign. Then we'll name our segment name. So let's call this Google Search Terms, right? And then you want to click on here, people who searched for any of these terms on Google. So what that means is enter search terms your ideal customers using on Google. Your ads will reach people who search for those and similar terms only on campaigns running on Google properties, such as YouTube, right? So you want to come in here, and I've already got a few ready from previously, so we'll just paste those here. And so we have roofing companies near me, best roofing contractors near me, residential roofing, average cost of replacements, okay, when to replace a roof. And this can be interchangeable with really any like high ticket home service, for example. So like HVAC or windows or electrical, plumbing, any of those sort of things, you can just replace roofing with those types of niches. And then once you've inserted these here, oh, by the way, if you're already running Google search campaigns, you can take a lot of your best Google search terms and you just boop, plop them right into here. Okay, it works magic. So once you've done that, you then hit save. Now, if you already know how to run YouTube campaigns, what you can do is just add this audience to your existing campaigns and you're basically good to go, right? Now, if you don't know how to set up a full YouTube ad campaign, I've actually have a complete step-by-step tutorial. You can find the link in the description, or there should be a card at the top here where you click on that and it'll take you to the full YouTube ads tutorial, right? Now, and if you want some more hands-on help and actually getting this all implemented and making it work for your business, I do offer a free strategy call. You can find the description in the link below where you can book a call with me. And I will see you guys in the next video.